And let me give you guys a quick rundown on the Vedic timing windows for the last couple days. It's Wednesday morning, May 17th. So you can see that I've got the windows circled and marked out above on the price chart. The tan is over the white window here. The next timing window is marked. That was the screen window here from the B2. So we've got 4 windows on the B2 plane. We've got one on the C1 here, and we've got the wider window on the B3. So what's happening when we get into the B3 C1 area, we generally get more significant highs or lows, the intra-week ones. Now you'll see that the one on the C1 panel was in the off hours. These 2 zones I have marked in red. They're in our, what I just call our out of bounds time period, in the area that we don't trade in the slow, low volatility, quiet market. And then we had our significant low come in right here over, that was in the white B3 panel here, and that was marked by the green over white here. So we always look for those points of confluence in the upper panel. So we're only looking at white and bright green alignments. So you can see in the first window we got the high in the white B2 window here. Panels are marked on the left. When I'm saying B1, B2, B3, I'm looking over here at the text notation on the lower left. So we had the high come in this first window here inside the white black, and that was marked in the white A2 panel, which narrowed that particular one down. We traded down to the next timing window where we had this significant low after a nice move down, and that was marked here by the white window with the green over the white right there, giving us the area of the low. The next 2 windows here, the C1 and the B2, were both out of bounds, so we don't look for any type of activity in that area. The next significant window then was the B2 green window right here, and we ended up getting a high in that window. And what happened, we had that right here where we had the white A2 with the little green A1 black, and that marked out the area of the high. Next, more important highs and lows come in when we don't have a timing window from B2, B3, or C1. We look to align the white or green in the upper ribbons. You can see here we had a white window on the A4 and a bright green on the A3 right above it, and that marked this pivot. And then the next significant low here, we were looking for that low in this wider white B3 window because the market had been trading down. And then as soon as we punch a new low, we're looking for a timer to trigger that, and that was right here on the A5, A6, and B1 panel, aligned here in white, giving us the area for that low. Then moving into the next window, we have the B2 narrow green timing window right here with the white and green above it, A1, A2, and the white above that on the B1, and that gave us that significant low. Jumping forward on another chart to today, now you can see we have this white window later in the afternoon. So I've got that white window marked, and it's marked by tan in the price area. So what do we want to see? We've got, right at the beginning of the window, we've got white over white. We've got another white right here with green over white. We're going to be looking there, and we've also got that supported by this white on the A1. And then near the end of the window, we've got this green block here with green above it. So those would be the 3 points in time. We will be looking for that reversal later in the afternoon. So that's how we look at the timing windows and use them. I hope that helps with a little more in-depth explanation.